These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today, I'm going to take some trades and I will try to explain my trades. And this is my first trade. This is a ranging market. Usually market bounces off from this support and that resistance. And if I look at here, you'll see that in the previous 10 to 15 candles, we usually have a single red candlestick. That's my market sequence. And it usually happens after breaking this moving average. See, broke, opposite, broke, opposite. And then now we broke and it's single candlestick and we can expect an opposite candle. Plus this is happening on a common point of rejection and we have gap down. So remember, we never trade only based on one reason. We have to have a combination of reasons, and that was my first wait. And yes, we do have another jump down and it makes our trade to one of them to be a losing trade and one of them be a winning trade. That's I wasn't expecting this, honestly. And yeah, it was a pretty long distance between our sessions. It's because I recently really haven't so much time to spend on charts. And yeah, that was my first trade. That was 500. Boom. Okay, so that's my first trade. That was, oh shit, wait. One of them was losing trade, right? Was a loss. I don't know, I can say that that was unlucky. Sometimes we cannot really do anything about certain things happening in the chart. There's some uncertainty always going around. I would never expect this huge gap. And since the platform counts on the opening price on the next candle for, you know, detecting your trade results, that happens sometimes. Sometimes also opposite happens, like we win some trades that we don't supposed to win. But yeah, that's how it works. I will keep looking for the other pairs. This is a doji break, and this could be a buy for me if we have enough reasons. Let's move on. What is this classic mode? That's something new. Pro mode. Oh shit, they've added this thing. On Pro mode, you have this extra button. It's useless. I will have it anyways. So let's keep trading. Keep looking for other opportunity. This is a doji break. I'm gonna take this. Let's go. All right, price has been moving nicely in this chart. Let's see how it goes. This is obviously a doji break, an evening star, and breaking an overlapping area. We have a minor uptrend, I would say. But the bad thing about this trade that I just noticed is that it's coming from a supply. The supply haven't really touched a demand yet, so that can be tricky. Okay, that was a winning trade, thank God. And I will just take my screenshot, put it here, boom. So we have 4 trades in. The confidence levels shows number 75, meaning we have one more. We have a room for another trade. Let's see. Yeah, about this trade, it's coming from a supply. And sometimes price coming from supply, it's not safe to take opposite trades. Only sell trades would be cool on this one. And if you look on the way, we have a demand zone, which is also a decision point, because this is the decision made to break this resistance. So taking my buy in this area would be much more safer compared to that area, or maybe taking it in this area would be even more. So these are the demand zones that market can react. So yeah, right now it's on this demand zone. Let me see. They have updated the interface of this broker. It's kind of cool. All right. This would be the entry. Let me just take a very, very small one on this one. I think my entry is kind of late, but I want to mark it and show you something. Right here, you see this overlap? You see this overlap? And then if I go back to 1 minute, you will see, oh, my entry was actually correct on the same candle. I doubt it may be on the next candle because of my hesitation. Yeah, so let me just let this trade finish. Boom. Beautiful, man. That was a nice trade after a while. Okay. Yes. So we got the 5 trades now. That's enough for today. This is how Journal notifies you when you have to end your session. Yes. And then it goes to your list. This, yeah. So, okay, I want to go for 5 star. Okay. Journal users, please do these feedbacks. It will help us to improve this. Anyways, in this list, you will see you'll see your sessions. For example, my previous session, before explaining this trade, okay? My previous session was on 27th, right? If I go here, you see 27. If I open it, this is my little previous session. See my first trade on this candle being a doji break, come point of rejection, you know? It shows the trade you took. I took a double trade on this one, which was a win. This was a losing trade. I took a buy on this one, and I don't see any setup. I don't know why I buy this on this one. Yeah, it also shows my note, terrible trade. I probably didn't have any reason to take this trade. And then we got this third touch breakout, which is beautiful, an exhaustion candle, and happening on a demand. See, it's a double trade as well. See, these two double trades, and that terrible trade, which was a losing trade. And also for the even one before that, 16th. Let's see, 16th. See, these are the trades. Everything is saved here, and also you can go to the calendar and see the sessions you had, analytics. It shows the setups you traded the most and a lot of details and insights. We are adding something crazy. We're integrating some AI to this platform to see your trading patterns and see what works and what not for you. And it will be added soon. After this journal, once you import your trades on long term, it will try to analyze, and at some point it will tell you your weaknesses and your strength about your trading style in particular, and in that way it's going to be very useful. So that's about the journal. And about this particular trade, this is a decision point. This is a demand zone. Like I said, price coming from supply. And once it's coming from supply, it's always better to take buys. Once it touched the demand and react, it's always better to go with the buyers. And now, the first area to react for us was this demand zone. If I go to lower time frame on any demand, I will see a lot of lower time frame entries. Like on 15 second, I don't see anything. On 10 second, I see this overlapping level. See, not on a 10 second, I'm sorry, it was on 5 second. Yes, you see this overlap? That's my entry. Once price comes to this, boom, I entered and it was a winning trade. I'm just going to finish this session right here. Make sure you join the Telegram channel, and peace out.